interview list, my lord, there are some candidates
Interview list.
Yes.
All right. Some candidates.
are tainted.
All right.
What?
They are in the tainted list published by the
Commission.
commission. My lord, kindly turn page number 58.
Yes.
This interview list. One Nitish Ranjan Bormon,
Serial number
serial number 14.
14.
This is interview list. Now, my lord, very next page. That is tainted list. Serial number 958. Nitish Ranjan Bormon. In tainted list.
1 minute. List of all candidates as per such. This is the list of tainted
Tainted
candidates.
candidate list. Because this is a bulky list, so that's why, my lord,
All right.
the relevant page and in the above, my lord, there is
Where
mentioned
is his name?
paragraph. Page number 958.
958.
Yes, my lord.
And is this the same person?
Yes, my lord. That's my queries, my lord.
Whether
That's
it's
why-
the same person
Yes,
or
madam.
not.
Number very next page, my lord, kindly I will make thereafter, my lord, the appropriate submission, my lord. Why, when, what in this interregnum period, what is my prayer?
Because see, the roll number is
Yes,
different.
because of that is tainted list roll number is the in pursuance of 2016 selection process, and this page number 58 in pursuance of second SLST 2025. So how could I identify?
All right.
My senior,
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir,
My lord, he has given some instances, my lord, admittedly, my lord, this selection process that is made to be vitiated from day one. They could not have, my lord, allowed these persons to appear apart from other issues which are pending. And this can only be, my lord, done if, my lord, the OMR sheets with all details, particulars are published. We can then find out how many, my lord, tainted people have been allowed to participate.
Done. Publish for
Well, these are all short submission.
This is one candidate you found out. There are others also.
No. Well, I have given series from 58, then kindly turn to next page.
So you've got quite a few.
Quite a few, and many other would be definitely revealed, subject to, my lord, the publication of OMR sheets giving details so that we can compare.
and father's name.
All right.
But we have no other means, my lord, to go into the detail and compare. Whatever has come out, we have given it.
It's all details.
Yes, your
Yes, madam.
submission.
Kindly come to paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14. They have given the name. First
Alright.
is one Nitish Ranjan Bormon,
Yes.
tainted, but physically handicapped. Supreme Court has protected him.
No.
Please, let me.
बोलते रहो.
I will next, Miller, Devlina Mondal. This spelling is not correct. Therefore, I can't say what is the answer. Next is Narayan Chandopal. This is physically handicapped. According to us, Supreme Court has protected. If a lordship said don't give him, we will not. Jayanto Abedin, Joynal Abedin spelling is not correct. These are the 4 instances have been given. 4 instances, my lord, I have taken the instruction. Now, my lord, kindly see the Supreme Court judgment.
Page.
Paragraph. No, just kindly give me one. My lord, kindly come to paragraph.
Page 40.
Page 40. Page 48. Page 40. Kindly come of the judgment. Paragraph 14. Can I simulate? Lastly, we address the case of the disabled candidates. Our attention has been drawn to one such case where the impugned judgment held that the appointee, Mrs. Shoma Das, shall be allowed to continue on humanitarian grounds. While we will not interfere with the findings, we make it clear that other differently able candidates will not be entitled to same benefit as would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. However, in consideration of their disability, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection processes appointed are completed. These disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically so and so. Therefore, these disabled candidates, my lord, in terms of the for paragraph 48 and 49, they have been giving chance. Otherwise, they will
So, 1 minute. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
fresh
fresh,
selection process.
if required. Other
Required
candidates
age
who are
relaxation
not
and other concessions.
specifically tainted
Yes.
No.
is
And with age relaxation and other concessions. These disabled candidates mentioned
other concession means you want the tainted candidates to
if he is
be
disabled, if he is only disabled, according to our
disabled tainted candidates.
yes.
This is the concession that you are giving.
Yeah, my lord, in terms of the Supreme Court judgment, I am not giving. This is Supreme Court judgment.
What type of concession? Age
My
relaxation.
lord, this is Supreme Court judgment. I have nothing to do.
Age relaxation.
That Supreme Court has given it.
Yes,
Yes.
but not to the tainted ones.
My lord, this is includes that.
What it includes.
Includes that, my lord. However, in consideration of the disability, kindly read my lord, paragraph 48.
Yes.
Yes, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process appointed are completed.
So
This
the
is- this is-
tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, these disabled mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
Disabled
fresh selection.
tainted
No,
candidates.
according to our reading, this is there. That is the
See,
reason we have.
the next line
If your lordships hold it, I will cancel.
specifically
If your lordships-
candidates who are
Lord,
not
if your lordships
specifically
hold that,
tainted.
if your lordships hold that, we'll cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped. you are
That's
not
right,
letting them
exactly.
to go.
I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47.
All right.
Reading of my judgment is this.
All right, I get it.
Now, my lord, kindly-
Reading of the judgment is same.
Well,
Reading of my.
Well, I have only one because as far as I am concerned,
Who are you? You are also physically handicapped.
no,
Then-
that's why I
But
wanted
below, so far other players is concerned, that's why he is asking for a roving inquiry. That's not permissible.
well, as far as this concerns, I am not affected.
Not affected.
So I don't want to make any.
You are not
because
physically.
I am an untainted. I also want it should be only for the untainted.
Yes.
Now regarding paragraph 48, I restrain to say anything because that is not. I am not supposed to say anything on that because I am not for the disabled in this case. Since there are other prayers which affects me, so that's why my application.
Other prayers means
The
submission is
10
that
marks. There are many prayers.
10 marks is the main issue.
Well, they fundamental issue 10 marks.
no, that today it is not canvassed.
Correct.
And at the very beginning it was said that 28 whatever will
That
happen.
canvassing we understand only when it is canvassed.
Yes.
Prior to that, we understand only from the
The
prayer.
repetition.
The
yes.
prayer is it is-
Many.
yes, that's the main.
I
But on-
understand.
if it is restricted to the disabled,
Today the submission is only
Yes,
this
then I-
and
When you see in the subsequent without order of the Honorable Supreme Court, and Mr. Bandyopadhyay had made a very frank statement
Yes, I am saying so.
that this is the order which was passed on the prayer of my lord some candidates, where my lord the counsel for the SSC can come to the page 3.
I could.
Yes.
Judgment.
We take on record the statement made by the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that all the appointed teachers who are entitled to appear for the selection test pursuant to the aforesaid direction of this court would be permitted to appear in both the tests, that is 9, 10, so and so. As we have already directed that a list of tainted candidates should be placed in the public domain within a period of 7 days. It's not done.
Yes, done. It's not
done
correct.
according to us. We also take on record the statement of the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test scheduled to be held on such and such. He further states that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the test, the notice dated so and so issued by the commission stating the eligibility and ineligibility of candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the commission. But this is no sleeping, this is not just by chance. This is
conscious.
Conscious. Yes.
Mm.
therefore, my lord, this tainted, my lord, if they allow to appear, unless somebody comes and brings
Points
notice
it
of the
out.
court, they go through.
Right.
No, I have no.
And therefore, my lord, to to make it absolutely transparent without the publication of AMRs is for the benefit of all, so that we can compare that who are the tainted candidates who have slipped in or brought in.
There is enough chances to see other results, and not that again same provision, same procedure,
No, same procedure.
2016.
You-
No,
the-
yes, we know that every time some
every
persons are
time-
there. Yes, some persons are there to disturb the everything.
that I-
They are born for it. We know about that.
Yes.
My lord, so far, my lord, kindly record my submissions to this extent in view of the paragraph, the two paragraphs I have of the Supreme Court judgments. Commission considered them that they are eligible in view of paragraph 49 and
All right.
49, and they have been called for or etc. interview list. I don't know whether they will get it or not. That I don't know, but this has been done.
All right.
And so for the others, that's the name is there. This is mistaking, my lord. Another request I will make, my lord. Before lordships also direct them to make them party also, because they can't be affected. My lord, they can't be affected by any order passed by your lordships. They can't be affected without being before your lordships.
What about the publication of the tainted list?
Yes.
Tainted list we have published, my lord. How many times I will give this? My lord, we have a tainted list I have given in 291 to 334.
Can you
Lordships,
see
kindly
the list?
Yes.
Does it, my lord, give the
I
details
cannot make a list to the satisfaction of Mr. Bhattacharya's client. Yes, to this I am doing it. No, I am doing in terms of law.
Yes.
But your clients are the persons who will disturb all the times for creating disturbance.
Going to
The
the
court
court.
is here.
Uh,
Please do not answer each other.
Okay, my lord.
The court is here to hear you.
291 to 324.
291 to
To 324.
324.
কোথায় এটা?
একটা লোক পাস করতে পারে না, চাকরি পায় না।
Please do not make these type of comments. You are a very senior member.
91 kindly.
Please don't. 291.
291 to
Interview to all details or OMR sheet.
324.
Order judgment.
324 nahi? Yes, 324.
1804. Serial number last 324.
Yes. This is only for the group 9 and 11 and 12.
What about the
19
others?
Oh yes, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All four classes.
All four.
1804 candidates name serial number is there.
Ito আছে তো? Yes.
According to the
1804.
investigation, and how many candidates are there in the tainted list?
More than 6,000. As per our estimation of 3 categories.
That is a group C, group D.
That's
It's a
what
9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12?
That is enough. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1804.
1804. 1804 names
Can
have
you
been published.
identify anyone?
Identify?
Yes. Which category?
Sorry, you-
Where from they are applying? This is the deceptive way to mislead the entire people, including the court. How can I know what is this? Who is Nitish Manu? Which category did he apply? What is his father's name? The detailed category will detailed category will not help the people all and sundry to identify. But every day we are receiving the information from many corners that this tainted person have gone to. I can also show the WhatsApp, but I'm not going to do that. Why the School Service Commission would hide with the the details authorities?
All right.
That's why you have made this prayer, and that's why the division bench of the High Court directed you publish the AMR.
Where is that?
Will kindly come to the order of the division bench, which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
And that time Mohammed was published. That time Mohammed was published.
Finally, kindly turn to paragraph 363, the directions given by the division bench.
That was March with the Supreme Court.
Paragraph
363,
That Mohammed was disclosed.
final directions.
11, 12.
363.
363 of which one?
This is the Justice Basak's order.
Yes, division bench judgment. which is-
OMR sheets available if not already done or such portion not done. Must
be
be
uploaded.
uploaded and made available to
Yes.
the public for viewing.
And all these directions are upheld by the Supreme Court. What's the difficulty in for the authorities? Otherwise, this sort of litigations will continue.
Right. Please come.
Malad, can I? That was in relation to first SLST. That is
The
nothing.
tainted candidates is in
I have
first.
given the tainted candidate list to your lordship.
No, the division bench said that you have to upload it in the website. Portions not done. You have given the
Portions
name
not
and
done.
the
Hmm,
OMR.
hmm.
OMR. You have given the name and the roll number.
Yes.
That is now.
Please
That
say-
is after the judgment has been delivered, after the matter challenge has been moved here. This is in respect of 2016, so 2025. This is 2025. The court said where is the list of the tainted candidates. Then we said within 7 days we will disclose the tainted candidates' names. That is the tainted candidates' names that we have been given.
You published the name. You have already published the names
Huh?
and their details. Father's name.
Milord, this is not. This is Milord, is a too far prayer for a petitioner, and this court should not entertain. Milord,
All right. Please.
Milord, kindly see this. Next is 323. This
320
is too far. Milord, court is not. Court will not.
323.
Kindly see the from 325. I have given to your lordship. See status, category, name, roll number, everything. What is this? I have to give the home address. Am I a police officer? If they will not do any homework. They will not do any homework.
320.
325. Kindly see.
What is it?
See. Serial number, roll number, name, status.
Who are they?
Why is they? Who are they? If you
No,
sitting,
what is
if
this?
a person
What does status mean? OMR issue?
status, mismatch mark, OMR, that is all mismatch. That is the OMR. Milord, this is a whole list is there. Milord, if one litigant sleeps in his house, that doesn't mean that I have to feed him.
Oh,
Then yes, of course, this is not. And Milord, this court should not be turned into a court of a roving inquiry. Yes, yes,
Sir, it's a
yes.
since
No, tell
request.
tell Mr. Bhattacharya also.
I
You are also only blaming me.
I
You are
am
not saying to
making
Mr. Bhattacharya.
submissions.
No, you are also blaming me.
You
Comments is from Mr. Bhattacharya. Reaction is there. You are only telling me, not Mr. Bhattacharya. I know that I am not a like person, but don't only this to me you will say.
I have only one sentence. Only one sentence.
Most like how can I be?
Whatever order on tainted, I am not going to be affected. But the process which is continuing, I humbly pray lordships may not stop or stay the process which they prayed.
No,
Only that.
nothing. That is not the prayer also.
Regarding the transparency for the tainted,
Yes,
I
yes.
don't want to say.
That is not the
Yes,
prayer.
because I am an untainted, I have nothing to say. But
Only one thing may I just tell you, lordships. In regard to non-compliance of our division bench order, our division bench has said in contempt application, everybody go to the Supreme Court. I'll have a look at that paragraph 56.
Yes, it's all right. Parties are there before the Supreme Court. It's not that they are not there.
No, therefore, any non-compliance of this is the non-compliance they are urging
no.
of Justice Bosak's order.
Are you there in the tainted list?
No,
No.
no, Malad, this goes on and on.
Milord, only one.
I'm also to be Malad without
Sorry,
service.
my lord, one submission. Mr. Bhattacharya's client filed an application for contempt before Justice Bosak. That was dismissed. Against that order, nobody has gone to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court no one has initiated any order. If there is a violation of the division bench order, then the contempt proceeding would be drawn up. That has not been initiated.
The matter relates to second SLST. Conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stop. The petitioners, how many are there? Petitioners? Petitioners participated in the recruitment process.
Just excuse me, Milord. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. Milord, I am saying it's not maintainable because they are all
Unsuccessful
Answer.
candidates. in the recruitment process. Stop. The result for the written examination has been declared. Stop. The petitioners have not cleared the written test. Stop. They allege that there are several candidates from the tainted list published by the commission in terms of the orders passed by this court and the Honorable Supreme Court, who have been allowed to participate in the recruitment process and whose name appears in the list of tainted candidates published by the commission. Stop. Attention of the court has been drawn to the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein there is specific direction that the candidates whose names appear in the list of tainted candidates will not be permitted to participate in the recruitment process. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to publish the tainted list in such a manner so that the identity of the candidates can be properly ascertained. Stop. It has been submitted for the for the purpose of maintaining fairness and transparency in the recruitment process, such list of tainted candidates ought to be published by the commission. The order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 29th August 2025 in Matt Rehana Begum and others versus State of West Bengal and others. Has been placed in court. Stop. Learned counsel representing the commission opposes the prayer of the petitioners. It has been submitted that the writ petition at the instance of unsuccessful candidates is not maintainable. Stop. The petitioners cannot seek for a roving inquiry. Stop. According to the commission, the list of tainted candidates has already been published by the commission in compliance of the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. In case the petitioners alleges violation of the order passed by the court, the petitioners ought to approach the said court. Stop. Fresh writ petition at the instance of the petitioners alleging violation of any direction passed by the court will not be maintainable. Stop. Can 1 and Can 2 has been filed for addition of parties. Stop. The applicants are candidates who also participated in the second SLST. Stop. Their names do not feature in the list of tainted candidates. Stop. The applicants submit that since the recruitment process is being conducted in compliance of the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the instant proceeding may not be entertained. Stop. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that এটাকে কাটুন, এর আগে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ অ্যাড আপ করুন। It has been submitted by the commission that the candidates whose names have been mentioned in paragraph 14 of the writ petition are not impleaded as parties. Stuff. Any allegation made against them behind their back may be prejudicial to them. Stuff. Paragraph. It has further been submitted that those candidates whose names appear in paragraph 14 are enlisted in the physically handicapped category, two of them, and the other
But-
two,
This is spelling mistake is here.
those you do not know.
No. These are not tainted according to our list.
Not again.
These two spelling are not matching.
That two of the candidates name physically handicapped category stuff as per the understanding of paragraphs 48 and 49
কতজন পিএইচকে নিয়েছে
of
প্রিন্সিপালি ওরা পিএইচকে
judgment dated 3rd April 2025 passed in SLP within brackets civil number 9586 of 2024 within brackets State of West Bengal versus Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Chatterjee and others, comma, the commission permitted the candidates to participate in the recruitment process despite their names being reflected in the list of tainted candidates. Stop. As regards the other two candidates, Nitish and Narayan, all right, spelling mistake is Debolina and
Here, no. The other two candidates are physically handicapped and two
physically handicapped. Which ones? Nitish and
Nitish and
নারায়ণ
Narayan.
Yes. Two candidates এখানে বললাম না physically handicapped, নীতিশ রঞ্জন বর্মন and নারায়ণ চন্দ্র পাল, বানানগুলো দেখে নেবেন প্যারাগ্রাফ 14 এ paragraph 14 page 15. The other two candidates, these names are not properly spelt. Accordingly, the commission cannot ascertain their identity. ঠিক আছে? এবারে upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that the Honorable Supreme Court made it clear that other differently abled candidates will not be entitled to the same benefit as given in case of one Miss Shoma Das, as it would contradict legal principles and the rule of law.
একটা সে হাওড়ার টিচারটা কি হলো না
Full stop.
এই ঘরে চলে এসেছে
However, comma, considering their disability, comma,
মূল ব্যাপারটা না
the candidates may be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process and appointments are completed. Stop. Page number 40 or 41. The court also held that the disabled candidates will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required. Process, comma, if required, comma, with age relaxation and other concessions. Full stop. Similarly, comma, other candidates who are not specifically tainted will also be eligible to participate, comma, with appropriate age relaxation. On 29th August 2025, the Honorable Supreme Court in Rehana Begum within brackets Supra recorded the submission of the Commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test. The court further recorded that it was further likhun je the court also took note of the submission of the Commission that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the tests, S is within brackets. The notice dated 25th August 2025 issued by the Commission stating that eligibility/ineligibility of the candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the Commission in weeding out such tainted candidates who are ineligible in terms of the judgment passed by the court in the matter of Boishaki Bhattacharya within brackets Supra. The court records that the submission of the senior counsel of the Commission shall be binding on the Commission. ঠিক আছে? The Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to grant liberty to the learned counsel for the petitioners to address letter to the learned advocate on record for the Commission if they come to know of any tainted candidate who managed to secure an admit card for the selection test so that necessary action may be taken by the Commission to prevent him/her from appearing in the test. এটা পুরো কপি আছে দেখে নেবেন In the instant case, it appears that 4 names have been disclosed in the writ petition, who, according to the petitioners, are enlisted in the tainted list published by the Commission. On a conjoint reading of the orders passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April 2025 and 29th August 2025, it appears that the candidates, irrespective of their disability, আচ্ছা কি বললাম No, the candidates whose names appear in the tainted list, irrespective of their disability, cannot be permitted to participate in the selection test conducted by the commission. Stop. The court specifically records that other candidates not specifically tainted will be eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation. Considering the disability, the court permitted the untainted candidates to appear in the selection test. Stop. The on 29th August 2025, the court reiterates the intention of the court not to permit any tainted candidates, whether disabled or not, differently abled or not to participate in the selection test. It was only for this reason that the submission made by the learned senior counsel of the commission that if any tainted candidate slips through the net, the same will be weeded out, has been given a binding effect. Stop. The understanding of the commission that the tainted candidates, that the differently abled tainted candidates would be permitted to participate in the selection test does not appear to be in line with the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. To draw the attention of the commission as regards participation of the tainted candidates in the selection test, the court went to the extent of granting liberty to the learned advocate on record of the petitioners to draw the attention of the commission so that the commission may take necessary action in the matter. The aforesaid observation of the Honorable Supreme Court, in the understanding of this court, is not to permit any candidate, whether differently abled or not, to participate in the ongoing selection test. Stop. Next paragraph. The submission of the petitioners that the list of tainted candidates published by the commission is an incomplete one appears to be of substance. Stop. The list of tainted candidates as placed before this court by the learned senior counsel representing the commission discloses the roll number and the name of the candidate. Stop. The said list has been prepared in terms of the data of the 2016 recruitment process. Stop. The roll number of the 2016 recruitment process and the 2025 recruitment process are different. Stop. Only by publication of a name of a candidate, comma, his/her identity cannot be ascertained. Stop. There may be several candidates by the same name. Stop. The very idea of publishing the names of tainted candidates is to draw the attention of the public with regard to the identity of the candidates. The court directed the commission to upload in the website of the upload in its website the OMR sheets of the candidates for public viewing. Stop. According to the petitioners, the OMR sheets have not been published till date. Stop. The list of candidates, till date, stop. For identifying a candidate, the name of the candidate along with his or her father's name and the subject in which the candidate appeared for the examination are required to be published. So that it becomes easy for the commission to identify them for the purpose of weeding out any tainted candidate who may have slipped out and appeared in the selection test. Stop. The senior counsel of the commission already submitted to the same before the Honorable Supreme Court, and the same does have a binding effect. Stop. The commission accordingly ought to publish the proper list of tainted candidates with details for the purpose of identification. The aforesaid publication ought to be made only for maintaining fairness and transparency in the selection process. Stop. Next. The as the commission would be bound to take steps in terms of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Accordingly, the Commission shall take necessary steps with regard to the tainted candidates who appeared in the selection test. So, next. There are other issues in the instant writ petition which are yet to be canvassed. So, the issue regarding allotting 10 marks on account of prior teaching experience is already an issue which is pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court. So, the court accordingly adjourns the matter for the time being. Stop. Released on
And other matter.
3rd of December.
Yes.
All matters on 28th.
28th,
It will
so
be
that's-
heavy.
Yes, yes.
It will be
We don't-
too heavy. If any order is passed on
And that
28th,
will automatically.
cover.
Yes.
That 28 will not maybe prepone for a day, let even 27 to other matters.
27th.
I had also taken consent of Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
I am not aware, Mr. Where did Mr. Bandyopadhyay go?
I had personally not interacted with him. He said he has no difficulty with his post on 27th.
26th as a Supreme Court.
I need a confirmation from you. Otherwise, I won't.
My runner senior is saying that we'll take instruction.
No, I had an overhearing. I was sitting here. I heard, him-
Overheard.
yes, as a neutral point of view, I heard that Mr. Bandyopadhyay saying in another matter that 27th I would be here. That I can say.
No, that he may be here, whether
That's-
the matters may be preponed or not, I
Correct.
do not know. Without the committee,
I
I will
can't
not.
say.
Within 5 minutes, we'll take instructions.
Correct.
বোঝার সময় কথা হয়েছিল।
And one thing might be relevant, like for the Honorable Supreme Court, it would be on 26th. There is a,
24th and 26th, 2 dates have been
yes,
shown
so
to
all-
me.
I take the last one. So if it is on 26th, now to get the server copy.
That is the reason I kept it on 28th. It was only for this
That's I
purpose.
think because 27 maybe.
It's not uploaded, yes.
Then Lordship has to believe what the council.
Yes, yes.
So they are not-
Exactly this went through
Then
my
the-
mind. That is the reason I kept on
Then the
28th.
28 may be deferred. I
Why?
have some personal problem on 28.
So many matters
I did-
differing. Why don't you join online if in case you cannot come?
This matter is so serious, it requires physical appearance.
Requires physical appearance.
I have to explain many
But
orders.
Yes,
judgments.
maybe.
27th.
Then,
But other councils are there. Only Supreme
yes, yes. Somebody is
Some
coming
of the
from the
others are
Supreme
there.
Court also.
I have no difficulties. That is no best I remember.
There are other councils also.
Anyway, we shall take it that on 20th I may pray adjournment for a day.
There is no difficulty if you pray adjournment.
The others will fight.
They will not fight.
No. If then
I don't
if you
know.
don't
If 28
28 not, then the December when I will do it. December not possible. কি করে আসবে বলো? ডিসেম্বরে কি করে
let
হবে?
it remain on 28. Let us see.
Hmm.
You try to adjourn the other personal thing if you can accommodate.
To be very frank, before
No, don't be frank. It's better you see what is there.
but they should also have public interview list. Otherwise, we can compare.
কি? হ্যাঁ?
They will publish.
The interview list.
Has it not been published?
Which case?
The latest interview list.
19, 11, 12.
এটা হলো
11, 12. Interview list published. The verification is going on. 15 published.
দেখে নাও
আর ডিটেলস আর কি করে দেবো? বলতে পারবো না তো।
ঠিক আছে থাক না আপাতত যা আছে তারপর কম্পেয়ার করো তারপর দেখা যাবে।
কি বললো? জোসেফ কি বললো?
আমাদেরকে নাম, বাবার নাম আর সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে টেন্টেড লিস্টটা পাবলিশ করতে হবে 2016
হ্যাঁ, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তো আমাদের। We have no difficulties. কতদিনের মধ্যে বলি?
তারিখে রেখেছেন, কোনো টাইম নাই।
But this list has to be within how many days have been
At
defined?
the earliest.
We'll do it. We have no difficulty.
No, I
No,
understand.
we have no difficulty. Can I suggest Miller one thing? Just subject to a lot. Let Mr. Firoz Sami goes to election state commission. He sits there. He analyzes everything. He does everything. Let him be satisfied.
It is not his satisfaction. He is here for a client.
No, that's for his client's satisfaction. Every,
26,000 candidates. You can understand the magnanimity of the
yes,
issue.
already have been disclosed, already have been disclosed.
See,
But
they are
but the point is, Milord, we have suffered, yes, but no doubt. Therefore, we are taking all care. But every stage in this process, it is very difficult. Very difficult.
চলো
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে।
পাঁচটা বার হবে প্রশ্ন হবে কম নেই
আপনি এটা only mean but CPF to GPF area person it is not himself man.
Are the corrections properly made?
Yes man.
Please check up, because now matters are coming up for correction because wrong formats have been given.
But I have checked it up my lord.
All right, same order.
But the daily list matters will not be called.
But same CPF to GPF area person petitioner himself man.
Yes, disposed.
Conversion from CPF to GPF of for the widow pension who died prior to date of notification. In terms of the honorable division bench, already settled the issue. And I am serving husband of the petitioner. Following the division bench, two single benches process. I am having over this.
Which one is the division bench's order?
Yes, Pamela, I am giving those two judgments. And Shefali Jana. And this is that quoted. And my justice